George, good morning. We have to pay attention. We're getting to be that age now. 3/4 of Americans, this surprised me, who opt for a cosmetic procedure go for the non-surgical kind now.
I've always been thin. I've never had a problem with my weight. And then all of a sudden, this belly fat started to appear.
And she's also part of a growing movement, women eager to avoid cosmetic surgery.
I don't want to go underneath the knife and anesthesia.
So what is she doing? The hot new treatment, so to speak, freezing her fat away. It's so simple and pain-free, we're doing the interview during treatment.
It's like a vacuum, and that's exactly what it felt like. Once it's been on for a couple of minutes, you really don't feel anything.
How long will you be here?
I think about an hour.
It's called Zeltiq. A vacuum-like device pulls in those annoying bits around the middle and literally freezes them. The fat cells die a slow death over 6 to 8 weeks, and according to Dr. Deborah Jaliman of Manhattan, the results are dramatic.
It's incredibly popular. I mean, first of all, when people first hear about it, they think it's too good to be true. They can't even believe it.
It's a gradual change because it went over, I guess, about 6 weeks, and I kept on looking and looking and going, I don't see anything, I don't see anything. But you're not going to see anything because you're seeing yourself every day. It wasn't until I saw the pictures that I realized how much belly fat was gone.
It's the brainchild of Dr. Rox Anderson of Harvard University and Mass General, a laser specialist who spends most of his time removing debilitating scars and marks from children. He started puzzling about the effects of cold a few years ago. He put together two seemingly unrelated things: incidents where infants suck on popsicles too long and lose the fat in their cheeks, and the fact that butter, fat, hardens or freezes more quickly than a lot of other things, like skin. At this point, the technology is best suited for people with a bit of extra fat.
People who are in good shape, who have a healthy diet, they're exercising, and they have body fat distribution still that they're not happy with, they are the ideal candidates for this.
It's not painful, it's not invasive, and yet it works.
It's money well spent, says Barbara.
I saved to have this done, I'll be honest with you. I put the money aside. This is like, you know, a vacation for me, but it was worth it.
All right, now these things look so simple, but don't take a bunch of ice cubes or radio waves and try to do this at home. It's a little more complicated. And remember, this isn't a substitute for surgery, but it's a pretty great alternative.
Yeah, not painful, not invasive, but is it as long-lasting, are the results as long-lasting as you would get with surgery?
Well, Dr. Anderson thinks in terms of the Zeltiq that it's at least 10 to 15 years. They don't know. It's just been developed. But these are quite long results.
That's a long time.
Something
Okay.
to think about.